Hey guys, it's Lori McGraw with the Resource Rundown. So, I've got something exciting that happened to me today, and I wasn't really planning this video, but I want to show you what I got in the mail today. I've been waiting for these for like a week and a half, 2 weeks. I ordered SOFTBOX lights for my studio. I want to unbox these with you. So don't forget, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And if you decide you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. And we're going to get started right now. So I'm really excited. Here it is. It's the box. And I got a little overzealous and I started cutting it open before I remembered to video, but don't let that stop you. I haven't pulled it all out yet. So here we are. Woo! There's the box. So excited. Okay, so it looks like, so we have the two stands. I'm assuming that's what those are. And the light bulbs maybe. And a carrying case. Bunch of clips. Oh, so maybe these are the stands and the other part was the SOFTBOX cases. And instructions. Let's set it up. Okay, so it came with these clips, and I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to use these, so I guess I'll research that. So here it is with the lights on me. Isn't this great? I'm so excited. I actually can video anywhere in my house and outside if I want to, and have light and be able to do that so I can create more interesting videos for you. I'm so excited. I got them on Amazon, so I'll include the link for these down below in my description. And if you're interested, you can get them from there. Okay, so there they are, all set up. Most of the time I will film on that bench, but it gives me the freedom to move around. Normally I film in front of that window for the light. Unless it's early in the morning, I can sit here. But I'm really excited. So one step closer. One of these days I'll have a little bit better camera so my video quality will be better, and as I progress and get better, my editing will get better and I will have great videos for you guys. Also, if you liked my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hitting that subscription button down below and the notification bell right beside it so you don't miss out on anything I have coming up. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!